She led an army. She liberated a besieged city. She helped crown a king. And she did all of this before she even turned 19. But in 1430, while riding to defend yet another city, Joan of Arc fell from her horse and was captured by the Burgundian forces allied with the English. They didn't see a girl. What they saw was a symbol, and symbols are dangerous. She was handed over to the enemy, not because of what she had done, but because of what she represented. In a cold stone room in Rouen, France, Joan of Arc sat before her inquisitors, priests, nobles, and men of power in long robes. They didn't come to listen to her story. They came to twist her words.
Did you truly hear voices from heaven?
I did, as clearly as I hear yours now.
They called her a heretic, a liar, even a witch. But no matter what they said, Joan never denied who she was.
I was born for this.
And when they realized they couldn't silence her words, they chose to silence her body. On May 30, 1431, she was tied to a wooden stake in the center of the city. As the flames rose, Joan looked to the sky, and with her final breath, she spoke only one word:
Jesus.
25 years later, the very church that had condemned her launched a new investigation. And this time, they listened. They heard from those who had known her: soldiers, villagers, even her former enemies. What they discovered was simple. Joan of Arc had been wrongfully tried. Her name was restored, and the verdict declared unjust. Her memory was no longer one of shame, but of honor. Yet, by then, Joan was long gone. Centuries have passed, but her story has never faded. She became a legend, a hero, a symbol of courage in the face of fear. And in 1920, the girl who heard the voices of angels, the girl who lit a flame in the world, Joan of Arc, was canonized as a Catholic saint. No longer a prisoner, now a protector. Joan of Arc did not live to see her justice, but because she never wavered, the world finally stood with her. She taught us that to fight for what is right, you don't always need a sword, just a single voice, and the courage to speak it. Truth may burn, but it never disappears. Your support through likes and subscriptions keeps us going.